Hi honeys. So in today's video I'm going to just be doing an updated makeup routine. This is gonna be like a real natural little beat or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this Got To Be, and I'm gonna take my eyebrow pencil. It's a Ruby Kisses eyebrow pencil. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a second to like dry or whatever, but yeah. And I'm going to take my L.A Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn, this brush, to carve them out. But I'm just gonna drag it down onto my eyelid. We're going to take the same brush and that same concealer, and I'm going to just go down the middle. It's a Maybelline. It's pretty dirty, y'all, and I lost the top, but this is the color it looked like. It's in 300. And I'm gonna take this brush, and this is how I'm gonna set this concealer. I'm going to go in with that same concealer. I like to take my beauty blender, which is dirty, and some toner, and this is how I wet my beauty blenders. And I'm just gonna lightly tap that in. Like that. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in 3030. Then we're gonna go back in and we're gonna tap all that in. Tap, tap, tap. My L.A Girl Pro Concealer and highlighter. Okay. Same brush. Tap, tap, tap. Then I'm kind of just like buffing it out a little bit. We're gonna go in with this powder. This Makeup Revolution powder, banana deep. And I'm gonna take this beauty blender, it's like angled a little bit. Then we're gonna take this E.L.F. Perfect Finish HD powder. It's white. I'm gonna press all of this in. I'm gonna go in with this L.A Girl Pro Coverage foundation. It is in bronze. This is what it looked like. And I'm just gonna put that right here. Wet this back up. Okay, so now that we did that part, we just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this L.A Girl. I didn't even know I was using all these L.A Girl products. I just be picking up stuff. But anyways, this is a matte pressed powder. It's in cocoa, yeah. But it's really like dark, obviously. So I'm going to dip this brush in here very lightly, to create a line right here. Like that. And a little bit right here on my chin. Just a little. And just a little bit up here. Now I'm gonna rub all that excess powder off of there, and I'm going to take that same bronzer. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm going to work upward with this. And then on my chin, kind of in like a V shape, like going like this, and then like that, and then buffing out the bottom of the V, basically. And a little bit on my ears. Okay, so now we're gonna start working on this nose. So I'm gonna take this brush and that kind of dark powder, and I'm gonna go lightly in with this too, but this will be more in my eye area right here. From my eye to like about right here. Like that. And then we're gonna take this bronzer and do the rest of our nose with it. So I'm gonna go here, right up under the concealer. And then I'm gonna take it like this to kind of create like a little button shape, and then I'm gonna close it, basically like out, lining that, and then I'm gonna bring it out here. I'm buffing this bronzer like into the concealer a little bit. Flat brush that I use for the concealer. So now I'm using this Fenty Beauty palette. Don't judge me because this top gonna come off, but whatever. And I'm gonna go in with this pink shade, same brush that I set my eyes with. This has been a good mascara for me lately. So now we're going to just move on to extra stuff like highlight. Use this Inca Perfection Highlight and Inca Shimmer Eyeshadow Pigment and Innocent Whites. Yeah. And it looks like take my fan brush.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
I'm gonna take just like a regular fluffy clean brush and kind of like get rid of that line where I put the highlight. That toner. And I'm gonna dip it into that white. With the other highlight. We're not done with the highlight, but I'm moving around a lot. I'm taking this ultra skinny eye marker by Crown in black. Yeah. And I'm going to put a little brush that we use for our nose, and I'm gonna tap it into this white concealer. Back in with that same white highlight. Into this Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, and I'm going to use the black in it. Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Long Wear Makeup Fixing Spray 16-hour wear. Okay, this is what I'm using. So this is the end results. Very cute natural look, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching this updated makeup routine. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I said what's up with you? I said what's up with you? I said what's up with you?